Very yummy, very delicious, and we're gonna try. So today we're making kebab. It will be very delicious, very nice, very tasty. Okay guys, let's start. This is all ingredients, and this is chili and onion, mix, crush, and this one. Also, and this one is lamb meat. Lamb meat, 1.5 kilo, and this is 2 peppers, and 3 potatoes, and this one is chili flakes, and this coriander powder, and this one spices. We're all using, and this is free range egg. We're using 2. So we're using 2 free range egg. So let's get started. So now we is crushing potato, pepper, green and yellow pepper, 1 tablespoon, and 3 eggs. So this is 3 eggs, coriander powder, and this one's onion and chili bring for shop. This is onion and chili, and you all take your food. Look, it's very nice mint, washing and dry. All what to take off. And this one is besan flour, super fine besan flour. For anything kebab, this is 1 big small bowl of besan flour, 1 cup of besan flour. So now we're adding ingredient, 2 paper and crushed potatoes. And now we're adding chili, onions and chili. We brought in chops, 2 onion and chili. And now we're adding 3 eggs. And now we're adding 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon chili flakes. 1, 2. And now we're adding coriander powder, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And now we're adding spices, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, 2 tablespoon kasuri methi, half teaspoon garam masala. So now we're adding ginger and garlic paste, we're adding 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And after mixing, we're mixing by hand. And now we're adding keema, mint meats. Look, we wash very nice, beautiful. After mixing, we're mixing by masala. And now we're adding 1 cup of besan flour, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 tablespoons. 5, and then after mixing, and now we're still mixing, and it looks very nice. We're gonna make it into circle shape, flat circle. 2 tablespoons more because it's sticky. 6-7 tablespoons more. 1.5 kilo mint meat. That's why we have to put more, 6 or 7 tablespoons. And after we mixing, it's beautiful, very nice. And now we get a little circle and make it a flat circle. It's done only 15-20 minutes. And now after 20 minutes later, rest. We put our gloves on. So now we put a little bit of water, rubbing by hands, and a little circle rolling. We show you easy two-way make kebab. First we roll into a bowl. We get a bag. We put a little bit of water in the bag. We put it inside and squash it by hand to make it into a flat circle. After we lifting bag, we lifting the kebab and we frying. Deep fry. And now we're adding the two. We're adding the bowl into a hand, rolling, and put a little bit of water. Squash it. And now we put in the bag. Now we fry it. It's too fried now. It's two easy way. One for bag, one for hand. One easy way, bag or hand, or both is easy. So now we roll into a bowl. And then we're gonna fry. This is 3 fry now. I'll show you easy 2 style. You need hand or bag. And now we put in bag now. We rolling now. 2 by hand, I'll show you, and 2 in bag. Need easy bag or hand, easy for you. Now we squeezing it. We take out. We take out by hand. And now we put in. That's cool. And now we're adding noodles. So now we're mixing a bit. And now the kebabs is done. We add little peppers and look, it's beautiful, so very nice. Very beautiful, very tasty. And now we're gonna try. It's so yummy, so delicious, so tasty, so yummy. Please like, subscribe, share, family, friends. Enjoy this lovely kebab. So yummy, so delicious. So yummy. Okay, bye guys, bye.